Triyugi Narayan Temple is a temple located in the Triyugi Narayan village in Rudraprayag, Uttarakhand. The ancient temple is dedicated to God Vishnu. Its fame is credited to the legend of God Shiva's marriage to goddess Parvati, witnessed by Vishnu at this venue, and is thus a popular pilgrimage site. A special feature of this temple is a perpetual fire that burns in front of the temple. The flame is believed to burn from the times of the divine marriage. Thus, the temple is also known as Akhand Dhuni Temple. The temple courtyard is also the source of a water stream which fills three sacred bathing ponds nearby. The word Triyugi Narayan is formed of three words. Tri means three, Yugi denotes the period of time Yuga, and Narayan is another name of Vishnu. Pilgrims have been offering wood to the fire in the Havana Kund, fireplace since the three Yugas. Hence, the place is given the name Triyugi Narayan. Yuga in Hindu philosophy is the name of an epoch or era within a cycle of 4 ages. The 4 Yugas are Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, the Dwapara Yuga, and finally Kali Yuga, which is the present Yuga. The name Akhand Dhuni Temple also originates from the eternal flame legend. Akhand means perpetual and Dhuni means flame. According to Hindu Dharma, goddess Parvati was daughter of Himavat, the personification of the Himalayas. She was the rebirth of Sati, the first wife of Shiva, who sacrificed her life when her father insulted Shiva. Parvati initially tried to allure Shiva by her beauty but failed. Finally, she won Shiva by practicing rigorous penance at Gauri Kund, which is 5 kilometers away from Triyugi Narayan. Pilgrims visiting Triyugi Narayan Temple also visit the Gauri Kund Temple dedicated to Parvati, which is the base camp for trek to Kedarnath Temple. Mythology states that Shiva proposed to Parvati at Gupta Kashi before they got married in the small Triyugi Narayan village at the confluence of Mandakini and Son Ganga rivers. Triyugi Narayan is believed to be the capital of Himavat. It was the venue of the celestial marriage of Shiva and Parvati during the Satya Yuga, witnessed in the presence of the holy fire that still burns eternally in front of the temple in a Havana Kund or Agni Kund, a 4-cornered fireplace on the ground. Vishnu formalized the wedding and acted as Parvati's brother in the ceremonies, while the creator god Brahma acted as the priest of the wedding that was witnessed by all the sages of the times. The exact location of the wedding is marked by a stone called Brahmashila in front of the temple. The greatness of this place is also recorded in a Sthala Purana. According to the scripture, pilgrims who visit this temple consider the ashes from the burning fire as holy and carry it with them. It is also believed that ashes from this fire are supposed to promote conjugal bliss. Before the marriage ceremony, here were no people who witnessed the incident. The gods are believed to have taken bath in 4 kunds or small ponds, namely Rudra Kund, Vishnu Kund, and Brahma Kund. The inflow into the 3 kunds is from the Saraswati Kund, which according to legend originated from Vishnu's navel. Hence, the water of these kunds is considered to cure infertility. The Triyugi Narayan Temple resembles the temple of Kedarnath in architectural style and hence attracts a lot of devotees. The present shrine is also called as Akhand Dhuni Temple. It is believed to have been built by Adi Shankaracharya. Adi Shankaracharya is credited with building many temples in the Uttarakhand region. The shrine houses a silver 2-foot image of God Vishnu, accompanied with consort, goddess of wealth Lakshmi, and the goddess of music and learning Saraswati. In front of the temple, the Havana Kund with the eternal flame, the witness of the wedding of Shiva and Parvati, is situated. Devotees add samida, sacrificial offerings of wood, to the flame and collect the ashes as blessings. A stone called the Brahmashila in front of the temple is regarded as the exact spot of the divine marriage. A water stream called Saraswati Ganga originates in the courtyard of the temple. It fills all the holy ponds in the vicinity. The ponds of Rudrakund, Vishnukund, Brahmakund, and Saraswati Kund are holy spots situated near the temple. Rudrakund is for bathing, Vishnu for cleansing, Brahma for sipping, and Saraswati for offering libations. There is no place in the history of religion regarding witnesses to the event.